Hello guys, in today's video I will explain who is in control, buyers or sellers, and how you can identify the reversal patterns or continuation patterns, right? So let's imagine price is in a bearish trend and price is just making lower lows and lower highs. Price just made a break of structure from here, made a break of structure from here and going down. And from here price just made a change of character and started making higher highs and higher lows, right? And now this is a 15, let's imagine this is a 15-minute POI, and from here there are three possibilities, right? And what is the first possibility? Price just can go higher, bro, took over control from supply, mitigated this demand over here and can go higher, right? And what is the second possibility? From here is, wait guys, let me move this. What is the second possibility? If you refine this zone in the 1 minute time frame, what price can do is price can go higher just like this, made a change of character from here, mitigate this supply zone and can go lower and lower and made break of structure from here. So this is the second possibility, right? And what is third possibility? From here price just can go higher, right? Mitigated this supply zone, go lower, mitigate this demand and can go higher, right? Just can go this, right? So these are the three possibilities, and from this you can identify the change of what change of trend, sorry guys, change of trend and the continuation pattern and the reversal patterns, right? So let's go in a live chart. I will explain how this works, right? From here price was making lower highs and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, right? This is a break of structure, 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 and from here price made a change of character, right? From here, and if you refine it in a uh, smaller time frame, right? If you refine it in a smaller time frame, what price was doing from here, price was in a bearish trend, right? And price made a break of structure going lower, this is liquidity, and from here price just made a mitigated this demand zone and started going higher, right? And from here what happened is like, like this. So what happened, what I told you, price started going higher, right? Mitigate this demand zone. This was the liquidity, this was the liquidity, right? This was also the liquidity, trend line liquidity, right? What I have told you, guys, in channels, retail traders were making sell signals from here, right? And what price did is price just collect all the stop losses, collect all the liquidity, like what I have told you in the liquidity chapters. Price just went lower, mitigated this demand zone and started making going higher and higher, right? So now what price have started doing is price has just started making low highs and lower lows. Price just mitigated this demand zone over here, right? From here, from this week, this was the from this week there was the positions sellers made, and what price did is price just made a liquidity sweep and went down and made a break of structure from here. And now what can happen is this can use as equal highs, right? Or what price can do is price just can do liquidity sweep, go higher and go lower and break a structure from here. And what is the second possibility is from here price just can mitigated this supply zone and can go lower, right? So these are the possibilities, and how you this is how you can identify change of trend and the reversal trends and the continuation trends, right? Until or unless price is making a lower highs and lower lows or higher highs and higher lows, price is in a very sure bullish trend. And when price just broke the recent high or low, then you can sell or buy, right? So this is the topic for today. Stay tuned for the next topic, guys. And if you really like the content, please subscribe and share it to your friends. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me on Telegram. I can put my Instagram link and Telegram link in the description box. Thanks, guys.